Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to show this look to you guys today. I had so much fun creating it. I created this devil, queen, goddess, warrior look. I'm absolutely in love with it. In today's video, I had some fun telling you guys a few stories about how I got started in drag and just a few things like that. And I really hope that you guys enjoy today's video. And yeah, so if you want to see how to recreate this look, then let's head on over to the transformation station. Okay, so now that we have those highlights and shading and everything done, now we can just go in and do makeup as usual. So I'm going to take a dark brown shade and we're going to apply that into the crease of the red side. And I'm going to follow my natural crease this time. I usually will bring it up more into my brow bone, but for this look specifically, I want to make it a little bit smaller and more closed in. So I'm not going to drag out the color as far as I usually would. Once we've laid down that brown, I'm going to go in with a little bit of black just to deepen it up even more, make it nice and sultry, nice and sexy, just super dark, all in that crease. I'm now going to follow that same step on the lower lash line, so we're going to put that brown first and just smoke that all in that lower lash line. And you just really want to make that eye super dark and super just very feline shaped and drawn out, and that will help change it'll make that eye look different than the eye that we're going to do over here, because we want it to look like this skin and like our normal skin is almost like a disguise that we are wearing, and this is our true self underneath. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to grab this pink glitter. It's a pressed glitter, and I'm going to just use that with my finger. Gorgeous color. And I'm just going to apply that right in the center. Ugh, love glitter so much. And that will just help make that eye more obvious that we're wearing makeup on this eye and not like it's just dark around our eyes for no reason. I'm then going to take some of that glitter and I'm actually going to put that under the eye. And we're going to almost create like little glitter tears under the eye. Because we can. There's no specific reason. I just think it'll be pretty. For a little bit more precision of where we place that glitter, I'm going to go in with the brush and just place that right under the eye. Just so it's a bit more concentrated in those tears. Yeah, love that. Now I'm going to go back in with that dark brown we used, and I'm just going to blend those edges and make it nice and seamless. Okay, so I'm going to apply some liner and the lash to this eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so first I'm going to go in with a yellow eye. Nope. Okay, so I popped on a liner and lash off camera, and I realized that I had not done a brow, so I went ahead and did that. I actually carved it, and I went in and highlighted with the peach pink shade, and I really love the way that this turned out. So we're now going to start the eyeshadow on the other side. I'm going to start with a yellow, and we're going to pop that into the crease first. And for this side, I want to change the shape that we're doing. So I'm going in like I usually do, and we're gonna apply it to the crease, bring it up into the brow bone. Next, I'm gonna go in with like a light tangerine orange shade and apply that right on top of where we just put that yellow. This is a step that not everyone is going to have to do. I do it because I feel like the yellow does not show up on my skin the way I want it to. So I customize the color to match what I have in my head. So now that we've done that yellow, I'm going to go in with a true orange shadow. And we're just going to apply that into the crease as well. Up into the brow bone and down onto the nose. We really want to weave that out nice and far. It's fine. Now I'm going to go in with a packing brush and I'm going to put that red shade that we use to set all of this. I'm going to place that into the crease as well. This look is all about layers and blending. My nose is stopped up. I sound congested. I'm not, but I sound like it. And lastly, I'm going to go in with black, and we're just going to place that into the outer V and really define that shape that we want. Don't be scared of black. It's not as overpowering of a color as people think it is. You just have to go in with a light hand or really know what like palette you're using, because some blacks are scary to me and that's a lot, but this one actually is able to build up quite nicely, so I don't have to stress out too much about black ruining the entire look. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and use this yellow shade and I'm going to cut out the crease. And I think that the yellow will look really, really pretty next to the red. Okay, so now that we have that yellow down as that sticky base, So now I'm going to go and set that yellow that we have as a sticky base with just a gold eyeshadow. Just pressing it in with my finger to get it as pigmented and shiny as possible. We really want to sell that whole royalty aspect of it, so I'm just pressing that into the skin. Nice and pretty. I'm now going to go in with a medium brown shade and I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. And we'll blend that up into the outer V so it just all connects. I'm then going to go in with eyeliner and I'm going to define that lower lash line and create a new shape, because I really want to emphasize that these eyes are two completely different shapes. So I'm going in and just lining that lower lash line. And then I'm actually going to go in and draw like little doll lashes on the bottom. So it's just simple little triangles all throughout. Okay, so now that we are done with the eye, I'm going to apply the rest of my liner and my lashes off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished off my liner and applied my lash. I'm going to go in now with this brown. I'm going to use that to create a nude lip. Just a nice, juicy nude lip. Okay, so now that we have finished outlining the lip, I'm going to go in with this nice nude gloss. I personally, anytime I'm wearing a nude lip, I don't like to actually put a color in the middle, because throughout the day, whenever you're drinking or eating or whatever, that color will start to rub off, and I feel like it's just easier to have your actual natural lip color there. But this gloss actually has like a gold iridescence to it, which I think will match this eye really, really well. So we're just gonna apply that to the lip. Sure. Okay, and we are done with the makeup, so I'm going to go ahead and go off camera, apply this gorgeous, gorgeous look that you guys are gonna be so excited to see. I'm gonna put on some accessories and I'll be right back. So on that note, let's go ahead and transform. Okay guys, and that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating this look. It turned out exactly, if not better than I could have ever expected it to, and I'm absolutely in love. So if you guys had fun with today's video, or if you liked today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I guess that's it. So till next time, bye.